what we are going to be pulling today, boys and girls. EJ207, burnt to a crisp. My own personal baby. This is what she turned into. I will show you guys a before and after picture because I did have a beautiful picture of when this car was in amazing condition. And over here is my new baby. Alright, got my glasses, got my extension. Alright, oh shit, don't break your head. Oh, I can't cuss. Oh crap, is what I meant to say. Make sure it's on there. Oh, there we go. And then I take these headers off also and reheat wrap them. Crazy, even with glasses or goggles on and glasses on, I still feel like I got something in my eye. So tough because all this crap is all burnt under here. And I don't want to get crap in my eye. There it is. Last one's off.
Do you have the mouse ready?
That's messy. Oh, it's better to latch it up first before you take it off.
Yeah, because it goes.
Hey, how long are you gonna be here?
Me?
No, both of you guys.
Wait.
Me?
Later. Later.
Late? One job, bye.
Alright.
Come back. So what would be the best thing to put it on the slow board? Oh, that's too big. What if we?
I was gonna wrap it.
The whole.
Around the seat right here. Pull the pins off the sides, and you drop the legs. Are you even pulling this out?
There she is. There she is. All burnt to a crisp. Last night took a L, but tonight we bounced back. Oh man. The heart of the beast is out.